Guys, Olivia is amazing. That is, Olivia is truly an amazing woman. Forget about, we all see our positive and negative part, but that woman, she's trying. 8 million followers. Some of our celebrities don't have this kind of followers on this app, for this blog. 8 million followers. Come and see the stars. Come and see stars. People that are sending millions, in fact thousands of stars. Total stars should be up to 1,000 because some people are sending 1,000. I saw two people that send 1,000 stars. 100 stars, that one is uncountable. That woman is an amazing. Hey, so content creator, there's money in content, so we all should start creating content. Can you imagine 8 million followers every day, every month? This one is celebrating. She's celebrating followers. Wow. And me and you, we are here. I'm here trying to, make at least 10 followers a day. But another person is there trying to make, let me say, like 100,000 followers a day. Oh, Jesus. Guys, I pray to be there one day because I know that Olivia too have come a long way. She's not started today, she's not started yesterday, or just even last year. She have been on this app for more than 5 years. If it's not 5 years, should be more than 5 years because I have watched some of her recent videos when I started following her, and she have been on this app. She have been on this app for more than 5 years. So everything that she's reaping now, she deserves more than that. So me and you should start working hard. Can you imagine? Look at, in fact, how many views? 30 views within 30,000 views within 90 minutes. Oh God! Oh more. It's not easy. So let us keep working hard. As years pass by, let us try to be working hard so that our own efforts will be after. Because I've seen people who have been on this app for more than 3 years, and they're not up to 10,000 followers. Maybe you know that. So let us try to put more effort. Let's be real. In fact, have you even seen me say anything about any another person's personality in my page? This is the first time, but I am amazed. I was amazed about Olivia followers. So I said let me just come and share with you guys because it's good to work hard. If you work hard, you will reap for it. And content creator makes so many of our Nigerians millionaires. So you guys are not taking content creator serious, your own though. And another thing about Olivia is that, let me say, she's real. Like, she's real and she's unique, but she don't imitate people. She don't do that. She don't do this because another person do this on her page. She does her own thing on her own day. If you like, talk. Whether you like it or not, she only does what that pleases her. That is what I know about that woman. I love her and I pray to be there one day.